How to make from $100 to $300 by coming up with a name. So on this site you can make money by coming up with names. If you win a contest, you get a minimum of $100. Before I made this video, I wanted to see if this really works. And I participated in some contests and earned $25. But have in mind, I didn't win any contest. The best thing about this is you can do it from home and it's worldwide. Also, you can share this with your family and friends. This is a great way to earn some part-time income online. Another thing that you can do on this site is graphics and logo design, and this site is going to pay you for it. But if you want to make money coming up with names, what you do is this. You get a bunch of active contests, and if you are liable to enter, you just click here. Here you get a little brief about what the contest holder wants his name to be based on, and what kind of a business is it. After you come up with a name, you click here and submit your entry. I recommend you don't use any name generators, business name generators or something like that. Be creative and come up with your names by yourself. You will have a bigger chance to win this way. And if your name is picked and you win, in this contest you are guaranteed a minimum of $100. But have in mind, if you participate in more contests, you will have a bigger chance to win. And as I said, on this site you can also do graphics and logo design. And here you see you have a contest that guarantees you a price of $150. Some contests have $100 price, some contests have $300 price. And if you win, you can earn the maximum of $350. But to earn that money, you have to participate in a lot of contests and do this full time. However, if you want to see what I do to earn money online, just go to the link in the description and check it out. It's my #1 recommended way to make money online. By the way, if you win a contest and you want to withdraw your money, you can do that with your Payoneer or PayPal account. And if you decide to do this as your part-time job, the best thing about it is you decide what your working hours will be. It's a great way to earn a little bit of side income. The website is called Squadhelp. It's gonna look like this, and it's really easy to sign up. On signing up, you have the option to choose between logo and graphics design or names. And for names, you get some contests and you put some names in to get your registration accepted. So if you want to try it out, you will have a link in the description. And that's it. If you liked this video, click the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos like this that show you ways to earn money online, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you for watching.